My first business coach, Paul, taught me what ended up being and continues to be the most valuable 4-letter acronym that I use in all parts of my life. In this video, I'm going to talk to you about this acronym and how you can use it to coach your team on something that is a big trend that I firmly believe is not going away in the restoration industry. What's the acronym? It's LBNT. Super easy. LBNT. LB stands for like best. NT, next time. What did you like best? What are you going to do differently next time? It's that simple, right? So you go through anything in business or your personal life and you ask yourself those 2 questions. What did you like best? What will you do differently next time? One of my clients recently asked me to start coaching their team who answers the phone. First to answer the phone. So anytime Mr. or Mrs. Homeowner calls in with a request for help, one of these folks is answering the phone. They wanted to have me work with them on improving their close rate, right? The scheduling, right? The goal of that person is to let our team come out, talk about our services, and sell the job, right? That's really it. So I'm using this favorite acronym of mine, LBNT. They record phone calls with their conversations. They make 2 small lists. What do they like best? A couple bullet points. What will they do differently? A couple bullet points. I listen to them. I look at their notes, and guess what? They just about nail it every time. They know what was best about that call. They know what they have to do differently. And the idea of them going through the exercise and them kind of coaching themselves is huge, right? Because it's not just Scott telling them. They're getting it themselves. Now, do I add? Absolutely. A lot of times they're missing things that they did well. And I point that out. They're missing things, ideas that they hadn't even considered that they could do differently next time to increase the sense of urgency, to not talk over people. There are all these different little nuances that can be improved on calls. And I'll tell you what, it is an eye-opener. If you've never listened to yourself on a sales call or a phone call, an inbound phone call, somebody looking for help, if you've never listened to a recording of yourself, it is an eye-opener. You can learn so much, even without somebody coaching you. So that exercise of LBNT for incoming calls is great. But think about it for other things too, right? Maybe you have a difficult conversation with a team member who's not performing to your standards. You get done with it and you say to yourself, what did I like best about how I handled that difficult conversation? What will I do differently next time, right? What else could you use it for? Think about when you're having a company meeting or a sales meeting, any type of meeting in your business. What did you like best about what you did? What will you do differently next time? All right. If you want to learn more about this, just read the blog post. If you want to have a conversation about how you can use it in your business, just click the link, book a call with me. Always happy to talk with everybody. Take care.